What's up guys? Welcome back to Autozkin PPF. Today we're working on replacing the PPF on this Audi Q8. Ever encounter a road mishap? The owner of this Q8 got into a little accident that resulted in damage on the rear passenger door and running board. Good thing, we protected this car with Autozkin paint protection film. After removing the film, you can see that the damage is only on the film itself and the paint underneath is safe. This is one of the many main benefits of protecting your car with Autozkin PPF. After we replace the film, you wouldn't be able to notice that anything happened. Call us today if you want to protect your car with Autozkin PPF. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.